Hi, this is Jessie. In this video, I'm going to talk about the tips or the strategies on how to get your child's attention during the circle time, or the children during the circle time in your classroom if you are a teacher. So I've been using these strategies and these materials that I gather right now, and I'm going to show you on how to use these materials just to catch the attention of your toddlers, pre-K, if you are a teacher. And this is very effective. I've been using this in my classroom already, so I'm just amazed. It's like a magic. But anyway, every child is different, so it might work for me in my classroom, it might work for my child, and it might work some of the kids. It depends on how. So these are the things that I'm going to use. One of the strategies that I was using in my classroom to catch my children's attention is the spray, because in reality the kids you have really difficult to catch their attention, or the transition between the free play and going to the circle time. So I was using this bottle spray, and if one of the kids who is already sitting down on the carpet, I have to mention their name, and then I give one shot of spray, and then everybody gonna look at this kid, and then, oh, she got the spray, so I want to get spray too. One shot of spray, and then they have to sit down, and then the other kids can see, and then everybody is gonna sit down because they want the water. They want to they like this. I don't know what they really like this. And then I have to start my circle time. And if somebody is really paying attention, and I have to mention the name, and then I have to give another spray for the reward, as a reward for this kid, because he is really paying attention and really quiet. And next is, second, I use this clock, and they pretty pay attention about this clock. I use this every other day, because kids, they're getting bored if you always show the things that they already used to see. So during the transition, I have to sit down on the carpet, and then some of the kids are already on the carpet, but there are some that still really want to play. This just make a noise like tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, and then they're gonna you can eventually get their attention. So it depends also your kids. As I said, it works for my kid, and it may not work in your children, but just try this. How you get their attention is through this small clock. So next is, I use this surprise box, and the kids love surprise. So I did put some of the stuff here inside for them to take during the surprise. This is a Play-Doh, and I have a ball in here, and then I put some stuff of the pom-poms. So during the transition time, and then I had to ask them who wants a surprise, and then they all say me. They love surprise. So I am going, and then I have to go and sit on the carpet, and everybody, if they see the box, they are going to sit down, and then I have to like do this. Okay, we're gonna have a surprise. And then I have to put my box out and then open it. Everybody, do you want a surprise? Everybody pay attention. And I am going to take one item at a time. And then let's say, oh, this is a Play-Doh. And then the Play-Doh is, I'm going to open the Play-Doh. And then let's like show you show the color, and then what's the color of the Play-Doh, and they will tell you what's the color, so you kind of incorporate the color. And then how about the smell? So who wants to smell? I think it's a nice, and then you have to let them smell each one of them and let it pass around, then they can smell and they love it. So also one thing here is I use bubbles, but when you use the bubbles, do not blow it up on the air because they gonna catch it and everybody will gonna get up. So what you're gonna do is just blow it on enough and then hit in there around them like that, and they will catch the bubbles. They just cut the bubbles on the ground, not on the air, like that. And here, where's my baby here? He's been playing with the bubbles already. So this is good also to catch their attention. And they love bubbles. They love, look at that. So, okay, Jeff, I want you to blow the bubbles, but never let them blow the bubbles. You can only do it. So I use the balloon. So what I had to do is I had to blow this balloon, and everybody is really, really interested. I've been using this also every other day. Just alternate your materials. If I blow the balloon, I don't even call them. Like each one of them, if somebody's playing and they're busy, what I have to do is just blow the balloon. And everybody wants to see the balloon. And they sit down. It's like a magic. So I have to blow the balloon like this. And then I'm going to ask, what color is this? And they all say the colors. And then I kind of incorporate the colors. And I incorporate also the feelings. So each one of them, let's say I have 8 kids, so I need to have 8 balloons because I have to incorporate their feelings. And then I have to ask, how do you feel today? What do you want to put in the balloons? The first kid, so let's say the kids say, I am happy. So I have to put the happy face like this. A happy face. And then they get really happy because they have a balloon. But one thing, I'll never let them touch the balloon, because if you touch the balloon and then everybody wants to touch it, that's how that is how the kids is. How is the child? That is how it is. They are going to imitate anyone that who wants to do it. So they are very happy. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say the happy face, and then I'm gonna say bye for today, see you tomorrow, and you have to release the air. And then next is another kiss you're going to ask, and then I have to like you have to use different color. And then again the other kids say how you feel today, and then the other kids say I am angry or I am sad. So you have to write you have to draw the face, like if they are sad, okay, it is sad, kind of like sad also. So you incorporate different kind of feelings, and they love it. Believe me, use this in your circle time to catch your children's attention, and it's like a magic. They love it, and you eventually like successful circle time. And you say again, bye bye for now, see you tomorrow. And they love to touch the balloon, but never let them touch the balloon or play with the balloon, because you're gonna lose their interest in the next few days and next day. So that's all for now. I hope those tips are very helpful, and see you on my next video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell down there, and see you on my next video for more information and tips. Bye! Thanks for watching.